Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mengivela kuma-screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Lalelani-ke guys, you guys know about u-Enhle Mbali no Black Coffee ukuthi divorce yabo has been an ongoing thing, breakups, this, yabo? Aye sana kushuthi nje u-Enhle Mbali was just sitting quietly in the corner elindile nje ukuthi one wrong move mfana awazi ukuthi ngibhizi ngiphekani lana. Sana kuthiwa nje u-Enhle ulo Black Coffee will now pay u-Enhle Mbali a monthly allowance. Now looking back at monthly allowance for the divorce settlement, right? Cool. So now when we look back at net worth ega Black Coffee, it's over 1.6 something billion rand, you know. U-Enhle was like, no, uyangijwayela. First of all, wasihlalisa laphayana endlini with no lights, no food, ney'ngane, wahamba wayojona nomlungu omude, uyabona nje ukuthi uyangijwayela. I've had enough. I've had enough. Right now, the court will take, the law will take its whatever. Now, court now will rule, but uyangijwayela. And guess what? The court has ruled in her favor. Now, umfana usuzokhokhela untombazana every single month. Kahle nje noma uyi-Enhle ngayeka nje uku-act vele ihlalele phansi, because now she'll be getting a stack every month. You understand? So honestly guys, before you get married, please just look into this thing. Mina vele angizazi into zokushada or prelim or customary marriage or community or property. Ibekene ekhanda ihlaziyeni guys, ne-divorce rate eyenzakala eSouth Africa, it's not safe ukuthi uvele nje udecide ukuthi lo muntu lo ngizomshada in this way, because mase sekuphela hayi akupheli kuyabhidlika. Ngizobuya futhi ngizon-update ukuthi kwenzakalani.